Budapest is one of the most beautiful cities in Europe. It is full of history, culture, and amazing views. In this video, I want to show you some of the most popular places that you should visit in Budapest. Fashion Street. The Fashion Street is a lively area with many shops, cafés, and restaurants. It is a perfect place for walking and shopping. Here you can find international brands and local Hungarian stores. The street is always full of life and energy. Boat tour on the Danube. A boat tour on the Danube River is one of the best experiences in Budapest. From the water you can see famous buildings like the Parliament and beautiful bridges. The view is especially magical in the evening. It is a relaxing and unforgettable journey. Hungarian State Opera House. The Hungarian State Opera House is a stunning historic building. Its architecture is elegant and very impressive. Even if you don't go inside, the outside of the opera is worth seeing. Matthias Church. Matthias Church is one of the most famous churches in Budapest. It has a colorful roof and beautiful details. The church is located near Fisherman Bastion and offers great photo spots. Budapest is a city that can surprise everyone. It combines history, beauty, and modern life in a special way. If you visit Budapest, these places should definitely be on your list. If you need any help with organizing your trip to this charming city, feel free to contact our travel department, Simply Travel. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to follow our new videos. See you soon! Bye!